guys, so in today's video I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite products from Amazon. And if you're like me that have an Amazon Prime account and you're an Amazon junkie, then this video is for you. So the first things I want to mention is kids headphones, and I got these for Kai. They fit him perfectly and they come in a variety of color. What I like about this is it's adjustable, and then this has cloth string instead of plastic, so this part is made of cloth so it won't be easy to mess up. Then I also got the wireless one. This is Bluetooth operated, and this one I got for babe and me. So yeah. Another thing I love is this travel makeup kit. So it comes with a zip. You can put your makeup in here and then just, or you carry it out on your table, take out everything, put all your makeup inside, and then you pull the string when you're done and just leave it. So I really like this a lot. Another thing I like are these right here, these clear containers. I got 32 for I think $30 on Amazon, and they're definitely worth the price, and you basically get one for $1. And if you've seen my organization or organizing my bathroom drawers video, I use some of these, and these are amazing. You can use them in your office, you can use them in your makeup space. Another thing I want to talk about is these come in a pack of 4. They're literally makeup erasers. So all I did was put this underneath some hot water, rub it on my skin, and majority of my makeup is gone. Love these. Love that I don't have to be using wet wipes, and these take off a lot of makeup. And this come in a pack of 12 for $12.99. Another thing I love is this shapewear right here. It has the stretch butt and the high waist that goes all the way up to your boob. But the part that sold me on this body shaper was the crotch. A lot of body shapers crotch come with the same material like the body shaper, and a lot of time it's like polyester mixed with elastin, and it's not very healthy for the vagina. So this is lined with cotton, and this is amazing. Okay, amazing. They also have the skirt version on Amazon, which I'll link. I know a lot of people talk about people don't wear slips anymore, but they make shapewear in skirt form, and that has become the new slip, and I've seen them on Amazon, so I'll also link those because I really want to get those also. But these are bomb because of the cotton crotch area. Okay, it's a lot healthier for you. So, and I got this pack of masks. These are fashion masks. You need to double them to wear them, but why I bought them was because of the nose area. The nose area actually have a built-in metal portion to it, so you can adjust it to fit your nose. And now we're in Corona, so I really like these a lot. If you have a hard time fitting these type of masks, these are an amazing alternative. I also found masks on Amazon for my son, because a lot of the masks that I see, whether in stores or online, don't really fit his face properly. And what sold me was the adjustable straps right here, and it comes with filters, and you get I think you get four and a whole bunch of filters. So I really like these because Kai have a hard time with the other ones that don't have this adjustable string right here. So that is a must-have if you have kids that has to wear masks. And then this right here. So this is a travel kit. It comes with this bag, this bag, this one right here, this, and then this. So it comes with 7 pieces, and you get them for $22.99, and I feel like you can't beat that, especially if you're traveling. And I know it's a pandemic, but people still have to travel, whether it's for emergency reasons or work reasons. I feel like this right here is a go-to, okay? A go-to. So this is a cart that has my purses on it in my closet. You can use this in your kitchen, you can use this in your office, wherever you need it. It's actually a rolling cart, and I really love it. I got it from Amazon, and it was really affordable also. Also, if you have Amazon Prime, you qualified for Prime Video, and I love that also. So if you have Prime, make sure you use Prime Video and don't put your money to waste. And my most favorite thing ever that I bought on Amazon recently is this right here. And this is a mop. And it comes with interchangeable cloth for the bottom. I love this mop because you can put water in this part here, or whatever your cleaner is for your floor, and you use the handle to spray it out. It allows me to like Swiffer sweep out dust in here, especially because we have tile floors now. So this is an amazing, and I literally can mop the floor, then I use another one and dry the floor. So this is amazing, especially if you have kids or if you have tile floors and you need a mop that you can actually put liquid and clean the floor off and all of that. This is amazing, okay? If you don't get anything else, get this mop. You'll thank me later. Especially if you have tile or wood floors, baby, this is gonna save your life, okay? Save your life. So those are my favorite things that I bought from Amazon recently. Comment down below what are some of your favorite things, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.